what it means, what you suggest. See, as of now, we will start with the group 2, what I understood. And we assume that group 1 will be clear. This is our assumption. And there could be clear, there could be, whatever result, we don't know.
Right.
So what would the strategy after the result?
Yes.
If it is clear, then it is clear. That's not an issue. Then we have to again, 2.5 months or 3 months for the second group itself. Then there is no issue. And if it is not clear, then what would be? What we will do?
So this is a classic question for almost 50% of the students. क्योंकि earlier they had 4 and 4 papers. जब 8 पेपर था, लोग एक ही ग्रुप लिखता था.
Correct.
ना जो भी एक ग्रुप लिख रहा है, अभी तो खाली 6 पेपर है ना, they went for both groups.
Yeah.
So the overall percent of people who are writing both groups has improved after there are 6 papers. सबके पास यही है. Although they had only 6 papers, they could only study for 4 or 5 papers. उसका कैपेसिटी है. Because मान लो कि एक ग्रुप में 4 पेपर है, 4 पेपर भी नहीं निकल रहा है, तो 6 पेपर कैसे होगा? So उसको क्या हुआ? एक ही ग्रुप ठीक से लिखा, दूसरा ग्रुप इतना इधर उधर लिखा था. Normally, this is what smart people did. जो लोग ठीक नहीं सोचते हैं, वो क्या करते हैं? 2 पेपर यहाँ पे अच्छे से लिखते हैं, 2 पेपर यहाँ से लिखते हैं, दोनों ग्रुप को नहीं निकालते. So now your case is a good case because you focused on group 1 technically.
Yeah.
Now यहाँ पे both for CA inter students and both for CA final students, सब लोग के लिए तो this is a classic problem. Now there are 3 possible outcomes: clearing 1, clearing none, clearing both. In your case, clearing both is not an option, as far as I understand. Done. So for you, it's either clearing 1 or clearing none. Now, in terms of anticipation, in terms of emotional anticipation, it's always good to expect a positive outcome.
Yeah.
In terms of planning, it's always good to have a negative outcome.
Correct.
So अगर एक ही ग्रुप होगा तो planning का क्या जरूरत है? So मैं सोच रहा है कि I'm not a negative thinker, but I have to plan for the contingency.
Yes.
So मेरा mind पे constantly I'm planning for both groups.
Okay.
क्यों? अगर हो गया तो प्लानिंग की जरूरत नहीं ना, आराम से हो जाएगा. We should not be surprised. Okay? इसीलिए अभी मेरा माइंड पे क्या चलते हैं? Not for Tushar, for anyone who is in this scenario, whether you're written group 1 or group 2, and then you're expecting one group positive which you're not sure, you start with the other group, and this is why. Now, in his case, he might clear group 1. When you say that, the expectation is that you are anyways crossing 130. If you're so confident of clearing 150, कम से कम 120 आने वाला है. 120 तो आने वाला नहीं तो कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं आता. तो इसका मतलब है कि 120 हो गया ऑलरेडी. 120 का काम ऑलरेडी ग्रुप 1 में हो गया. इसका कुछ नहीं करना है. So अभी तो whether you clear or not, it doesn't matter because 120 हो गया. अभी यहाँ पे आना है where the base is 20, 30, 0 है base नहीं है. So फटाफट ग्रुप 2 में base improve करना है. क्योंकि बैलेंस में आना है दोनों. So we start this group 2 immediately before results. For some people who start early, we want to clear all 3 papers.
Yeah.
For Tushar, we're looking at 2 papers. At least, 150 marks is what we're looking at. If not 200, we're looking at 150 marks. So once you complete 150 marks, once you're in a position to score 50, 60, आपको थोड़ा सा शांत लगता है. ठीक है, ग्रुप 2 में भी कुछ काम हो गया. Then, when the result is positive, God's grace, आराम से we can target exemptions in group 2. आराम से कर सकते हैं. God forbid, the result is negative. Then we'll continue finishing group 2 by July 15th.
Okay.
But because we're starting in June 15th. July 15th तक 1 month में तो group 2 होता है. होने का मतलब क्या है? At least go in 40 in each paper.
Yeah.
40 in each paper. उस टाइम रिजल्ट क्लियर नहीं हो, इसका मतलब है कि आपका ग्रुप 1 पोजीशन ग्रुप 2 पोजीशन सेम ही है. बट हैविंग सेड दैट ग्रुप 1 लिख के बहुत टाइम हुआ, ग्रुप 2 फ्रेशली हुआ. सो एक साइकिल जुलाई 15 से अगस्त 15 तक ग्रुप 1 का साइकिल अच्छा से हो जाता है. वो साइकिल बहुत एफिशिएंट रहता है क्योंकि आप जुलाई 15 तक पूरा रूटीन बिल्ड करते हैं. यू आर इन मोमेंटम एंड माइंड शांति में है क्योंकि ग्रुप 1 ऑलरेडी आता है. ग्रुप 2 भी एक प्रोसेस को आ गया. So till August 15th, we'll be able to finish group 1 cycle reasonably well. Or we'll wind it up by August 5th, then short cycle of group 2 for 4 days, and once again from August 15th to August 30, group 1 cycle once again. So that way, we always fix one group at a time, क्योंकि हमेशा इनका माइंड पे ये क्लियर होना है कि at any point of time I have to stop my preparation. At least I'm going to clear one group. एक ग्रुप तो कंपल्सरी निकालना है. तो ऐसा होता है, एक ग्रुप सॉर्ट करो, दूसरा ग्रुप को मूव ऑन. सो दैट वे विल डू दिस 2 cycles of group 2, group 1, group 2, group 1. So that way he'll be able to cross that 150 plus in 1 month. The other way around, if group 1 is cleared, group 2 will do 3 cycles of group 2. Group
That's
2.
not No, see, I have some different suggestion or based on my experience because I have done ICWA.
Oh, good.
Okay, so I have cleared group by group.
Yes.
I have not attempted both group. I am not
Understood.
that much kind of bright student or something, to be very frank. Okay, so my brother, his father, he has done both group CA, intermediate, both group final. So he is that kind of person. But I was not.
I understand.
Okay, so I did group by group, and I attempted the exam when I 100% confident I have prepared, and by God grace, I am not having any negative result.
Good to know.
Though I skipped the exam.
I understand.
Okay.
Yeah. Whenever you go to clear.
So I skipped that. Let's say June mein exam is there. I thought, my preparation is over. I skipped the exam, simple. And I returned the December exam with full preparation. I got yes, it's clear. So that's how I did. So I asked him also. See, if let's say group first is not clear, and we will get to know by first week of July.
Yes.
Then first of week July, say July, August, and September. We have
12 से exam start होता है.
first as the exam.
12th.
So 12th say. So we have almost 3 clear
70
months.
70 days. July, August only. September you don't have time. Only 12 days. 70 days.
So first July say, let's say 10 July say 10 August, 10 September. Sorry, 2 months. 2 months almost. 2 clear months. So as per my suggestion, can we do group 1 only? And we will do group 2 in January.
Yeah. So this is in.
Will not be in hurry. So
No, I understand this.
100%.
Certainty there.
Certain.
Now, if a student is doing this individually, definitely it's a good strategy. Now I'll tell you why we can do both in this scenario.
Yeah.
Number one, आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हो तो this is the existing base. The base is not zero.
Yeah.
यहाँ पे देख रहे हो तो it's 80 marks already है.
Yeah.
यहाँ पे we have at least another 80 marks.
Yeah.
So out of 300, you already have 150.
Yeah.
आज भी exam conduct किया तो you can go and score 150.
Okay.
Agreed?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Now दूसरी बात. This marks is also like intellectual weightlifting. मान लो कि एक सीए स्टूडेंट का कैपेसिटी आप क्या बोल रहे हैं आप बोल रहे हैं कि एक ही ग्रुप लिखना है एक ही ग्रुप लिखना है का मतलब 150 स्कोर करना है 150 स्कोर करना है मैं भी वही बोल रहा हूँ खाली 150 स्कोर करना है क्योंकि 150 ऑलरेडी है इसके पास ऑलरेडी 150 है you just have to manage that additional 150 यहाँ पे कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी क्या होता है 150 3 सब्जेक्ट के लिए ना आसान होता है 6 सब्जेक्ट से लेना थोड़ा मुश्किल होता है this if we doing it individually हम यहाँ पे क्या करते हैं हमेशा at any point of time you're only focused on that one student at any point of time you're focused on one subject now what happens with that is you're not thinking of any other subject आप उस टाइम पे खाली इसके ऊपर फोकस कर रहे हैं वो खत्म कर रहे हैं you're moving on so whether it's 3 subjects or 6 subjects we don't allow the load to fall on the kid so एक के बाद systematically sort करते हैं so that way since he has a base अगर base नहीं होगा तो we'll recommend the same for some students कि ठीक है break करके लिखो so that the chances are more आपको burden में आएगा यहाँ पे इसके पास तो already there is some reasonable base so we have reasons to believe that he can score both the groups but having said that at a practical level जितना भी effort करने से भी वो result नहीं improve नहीं pick कर रहे हैं तो जब जरूर आपको बात बताएंगे because it's better to pass in one group than fail in both the groups.
Correct. Simple.
So,
Right.
To the extent I understand, Tushar, I think we should be able to clear both. That's what it is.
There was one paper exam also, so
Yes.
there's only
So,
5 papers.
So he has to write only 5.
Yes.
That's
No, that's fine. Means probably you can again relook whether he has to go for one group or both after one and a half month or 2 months.
Everything we are looking at it continuously. ये आज का information है. कल change होता है.
Correct.
Because this is the advantage of live mentorship. Residential mentorship का advantage क्या है? हमेशा change होते रहते हैं. आप यूट्यूब से एक प्लान डाउनलोड किया, एक प्रिंट आउट किया, चिपका दिया, दैट्स इट, इट्स अ डेड टाइम टेबल, आप जो भी कर रहे हैं इसका कोई मतलब नहीं रहता इसको, यहाँ पे इट्स ट्रैक्स यू कंटिन्यूअसली, सो दिस कीप्स चेंजिंग, डेफिनेटली विल कीप लुकिंग एट इट ऑलमोस्ट एवरी वीक, हर एक वीक स्टेटस चेंज होते रहते हैं, सो यस आई टोटली एग्री.
See, because if we understand कि we will start the second group now, and by 15 July, our target date is second group almost complete हो गया, and by the time the result will be there, if result positive, no worry, फिर तो कोई issue ही नहीं है, the chapter over, and the result is negative. So then, probably we will start after 15 July. We will start the group one. Okay, and by 15 August or 20th August, we get to know what is the status of group one, and after that we can judge whether we will go for both groups
सर
or single
हम
group.
कैसे रहते हैं ना, सी बिकॉज we look at ourselves like career builders.
Yeah.
मतलब एक स्टूडेंट का करियर पे 6 months it's
Yeah.
extremely important, and
Yeah.
most importantly आप एक दो फेल्यूर के बाद अगर 2 ग्रुप निकाल दिया तो आपका
Confidence
कॉन्फिडेंस
level.
goes to a different level.
Yeah, yeah,
So
right,
for
that's-
that we are willing to put that extra effort. मतलब कि हमारा टीम जो भी है अकेला नहीं है ना. So currently, as of now, although it is difficult for us, आप
Yeah.
बोल रहे थे कि ठीक है, पर हमको मुश्किल होता है. मान लो कि the extra responsibility falls on us. But looking at the time frame which we are looking at, and looking at the level of confidence he might build, we definitely want to put that extra effort. But definitely there is not the risk of him failing in one of those.
Yes,
So
yes,
that won't happen.
yes,
So it's like a mutual fund.
Yeah,
इसको भी protect So
Correct.
we'll read the object.
Yes, yes.
So this is the
So that you have to plan.
navigate something. Yeah. Okay, clear.
Yeah, rest everything is fine. Thank you.